Hello, my name is Eric and I'm here to introduce beekeepers to a paradigm-shifting new Varroa mite control product called Narroa. Varroa mites and the viruses they transmit are considered the #1 threat to honeybee colonies worldwide. Many beekeepers, including myself, rely on synthetic chemicals, organic acids, and essential oils to treat their Varroa mites in their bee colonies. That's why I'm excited to introduce Norroa, a brand new EPA-registered mode of action for Varroa mite control, exclusively distributed through Mann Lake. In the fight against Varroa, now there's Norroa. Visit www.norroa.com to learn more.